guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some really cute Christmas photo ideas with which you can ace your Instagram game. Now I also did this kind of a video last year. I'll put that video's link in the description box or here above. I also did for Diwali festival. I'll put the link of that video in the description box or here above. So these are some really cute ideas that you can try. Now let's get started. So all these pictures are clicked with the help of my friend Rishi. Now you can also click these pictures yourself, or if you have a friend, that's even better. The idea is a nice, funny, random one I came with. So in this you use a Christmas tree. What I did was I kept the Christmas tree and I stood behind. So if this is a Christmas tree and I'm standing behind, like popping out, like looking at the camera this way, so the whole picture is taken from a top angle. Now this will be confusing me explaining you, but just have a look at the picture. So the next idea is for those people who are shy in front of the camera or don't want to show their face, or those people who think their side angle is better. So I have this idea for you people. Make use of What you can do is sit in front of the Christmas tree, show your back towards the camera, make use of your hair if you have long or short hair, make use of that hair, brush nicely and take all your hair behind and take a picture. The other thing you can do is act as if you are reading a book. Like here I took a heart-shaped book and I posed showing my back and just showing the work. You can also use or try that. Also the other pose I did was as if I was eating a cake and I posed. So these are some different ideas that you can try if you're a shy person or you don't want to show your face towards the camera. If you think your side angle is better, pose as if you're putting a Christmas accessories on the tree and pose like just a side angle and as if you are putting a Christmas accessories on the Christmas tree and click a picture. That will again look nice. The next idea is a very common idea. It is using the fairy lights. Now fairy lights, it's a very common picture idea. What you can use is just put the fairy lights around you and start posing some really cute poses. Also, you can pair these fairy lights with Christmas, Christmas hats, different type of Christmas hats. Now, Christmas hats and fairy lights look really cute together. That is what I feel. So this is another easy, common idea that you can try. Now, the last idea is the one. Now, since we use the fairy lights like on us, the next one what you can do is put a backdrop and put the fairy lights behind the backdrop. Now if you don't have a backdrop, just take any cloth, any white cloth or a black cloth and take the fairy lights behind the backdrop and start posing in front of the backdrop. Now this will give you some really good pictures. Now after taking the picture, if you see, it will look so, you will really get a nice effect. So these were my ideas for some really cute, easy Christmas photo ideas for your Instagram. Now these ideas are very easy, so try them out. And if you try them, make sure you tag me in those pictures and also comment down your favorite picture that you like from this video. And Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Bye.